so you got the straight edges. Cause those other scissors are made for like cutting Lexan bodies for RC cars. So I can get just a general idea. Just a general idea of how wide it needs to be. So I'll start on this end. Getting it sized up. So there was no old tire to even make a pattern out of, because it's like the tire just deteriorated. And they probably have replacement tires for this thing. I'm, not certain, but just because I had a whole bunch of this. Just because I had a whole bunch of this stuff on hand, I was like, why not give it a shot? What's it gonna hurt? Nothing. Good, it's got glue on it. So, break out that Loctite. Yeah, we will be ordering some more of this stuff. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. And let it go on and start the curing process. And if we got a little overhang, that's fine. And this is the same technique I use on making the wheels for my robots. And even though a couple of my robots, I have the airplane wheels for a couple, but I got something thinking, I'm like, those wheels get expensive.
Want to drive in here? Ta-da!
So just keep lapping that over. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, if you want it perfect, fine. It's basically just to get you going from point A to B with your robot. If you have one of these robots, and you really any robot really. So now I'm gonna get it sized up to complete. So that was the final cut. I'll run the final bead of glue. You don't have to worry about the old glue. It'll still work without it not being removed. voila. There's your replacement tire. That's simple.